Alrighty, here's the smoke alarms, heat alarms, and radon detectors at my local Home Depot. Start from the right. So, 30 CUD10, 20 SD10. Very similar to one of the more. Here's some value packs. 30 CUD10Vs, 20 SAR, 20 SD10Vs, here's a couple of 20 SD10Vs right here. Might also add 20 SARs. There's like 1,000 of these here. There's a couple of value packs down here. 20 SA10 and SA10V. These also appear to be the ones in the new box too. That's cool. RGSAR-RW and RGCUAR-RW. CAN COEG3 is a radon detector. HD135F. CAN COBIC. CAN COPDP10YL. CAN COPP-3. C3010D and C3010. CAN COPPB-LPM. CAN COB-LP2. There's some more over here. What's it called? CAN COB-BLP. Flame out. Fire extinguishing blankets. Escape ladders. Fire extinguishers. Ooh. And also 30 CUA10. 30 CUARV. 30 CUAR. Oh, these are 30 CUA10Vs, I'm sorry. And here's what's funny. P4010 ACSCO in 2025. Here's a couple more fire extinguishers. This is where the CAN COB DP2 would go, but they don't have any at this time, unfortunately. So anyways, hope you all like this quicker video. See ya. Oh yeah, here's how you can protect your home, by the way. Water, they don't have water leak and freeze detectors. That's irrelevant. Alright, see ya.